Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, I bid you welcome. Here at Gifting and Lifestyle, I talk about everything gifting, ranging from gift packaging, gift wrapping, to gift ideas. Please do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you would get notified when I post a video. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back and thanks for always showing up. You guys are the best. If you have watched up to this point, let me share a story with you, and also I would like to get your opinion on it. Behaling mu culture. My husband has asked for a divorce because I said his thing is small. We had a little misunderstanding and it got heated. I didn't mean it, he started it first. I was ironing his shirt and accidentally burned it. He woke me up to iron at 5 a.m, and I still had to cook for our kids and iron their uniforms too. I was tired. He just started telling me I couldn't do anything right, but I burnt the plantains I was preparing last night, and now his shirt. My husband is the type that talks too much and his words are always so annoying. I'm not a quiet or calm person either, but I always try as much as possible to control myself in order not to disrespect him unless I can't take it anymore. He just kept going saying, and he could see how I was sweating, even though the air conditioner was on because I'm chubby. He knows how much I hate being called or regarded as chubby. All this happened around 5 a.m, and all I said was that, at least I could lose weight one day, but he couldn't make his thing bigger than it is because it's tiny, and I'm always just pretending to enjoy it when he makes love to me. He remained silent and left the room. About 2 hours later he came back and said he wanted me to leave in 6 days and that he wanted a divorce. I started begging him, but he said if I was still there in 6 days he would throw my things out and physically throw me out too. He said he would call my mum out of respect later, and explain that he has had enough. He told me that he can't look at me the same way anymore. But he also mocked my weight. Why is he like this? Some concerned neighbors heard the noise and came to ask what was wrong because they've never seen him angry like that, but I couldn't tell them. I asked my brother for advice, and he told me that I touched my husband's ego and my marriage is over. He said my husband won't forgive me, but he told me I should at least leave the house and let him calm down first. I'm sorry. I didn't think it would happen like this. His penis isn't that small. I was joking. I didn't know I would hurt him that much or thing will escalate to this stage. I hardly lose our fights and I felt he was winning. I was only looking for something that will hurt him for starting a fight with me in the first place and calling me chubby. I sincerely love my husband. This stress is too much for me, PLS. I need guidance.